Most people don't know how to use castor oil correctly. Castor oil is a vegetable oil that is used for a wide range of cosmetic and medical purposes. It is said to provide health benefits for the face and skin. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years. But most of you might only know of its use for treating constipation or arthritis. There's more to this oil, though. The oil is extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It is commonly used in medications, skincare products, and even shampoos. You might already be using any of these products. But that doesn't stand in comparison to using castor oil proactively to heal your body once you know its benefits. What are the health benefits of castor oil? The most important use of castor oil is as a laxative to relieve constipation. Its anti-inflammatory properties help treat medical conditions like arthritis pains and other cosmetic issues like acne, scars, and dandruff. 1. Castor oil helps treat constipation. One crucial benefit of castor oil is that it helps relieve constipation. The oil is a stimulant laxative. When you ingest castor oil, it causes your bowels to move a lot more. But keep in mind to use the oil sparingly. Excess use of stimulant laxatives can impair the functioning of your bowel muscles. Hence, make sure to consult your doctor. Studies show that castor oil packs can relieve symptoms of constipation. They can reduce straining during defecation and induce a feeling of complete evacuation post a bowel movement. Be wary of the dosage, though. A typical dose is 15 milliliters, which equals about 3 teaspoons. You should experience bowel movements within 2 to 3 hours after taking the oil. Using castor oil for treating constipation may also lead to nausea or vomiting. This is a normal side effect. But if you experience too much of it, stop use and visit your doctor. 2. Helps treat arthritis. Castor oil reduces inflammation. The ricinoleic acid it contains has excellent analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Topical application of this acid showed a marked anti-inflammatory effect. Another study showed that castor oil could be used for treating primary knee osteoarthritis effectively. Subjects with osteoarthritis, when given a castor oil capsule thrice daily for 4 weeks, showed improvement in their symptoms. Using castor oil for treating arthritis is quite simple. You can apply it topically or use a castor oil pack. 3. May help treat gallstones. There is very limited research in this aspect. But anecdotal evidence suggests the use of castor oil packs. These packs can help relieve the pain and inflammation associated with gallstones. Placing the warm pack on your abdomen may help. Check with your doctor before you use castor oil for this purpose. 4. May help delay signs of aging. Though the oil has properties that delay signs of aging, like wrinkles, we do not have direct evidence. We know that the oil fights inflammation. This way, it may combat free radicals that accelerate aging. You can use the oil under your eyes, around your mouth, on your forehead, and on the chin and neckline. Wash these areas in the morning and apply a drop of castor oil. Gently massage and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Wash off with normal water. You can then follow up with your regular skincare routine. But be wary of skin reactions. These include itching, redness, swelling, and rashes. Do a patch test before you apply castor oil on your skin. 5. Can treat acne and scars. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help here. Using the oil for treating acne is quite simple. Cleanse your face. Moisten a clean washcloth with lukewarm water and add a couple of drops of the oil to it. Gently rub the cloth over your face in circular motions. You can follow this method before going to bed. Allow the castor oil to stay on your face overnight. You can wash it off the following morning. But if you have oily skin, use castor oil very sparingly. This method can be used for treating scars too. It might help treat skin inflammation and even soothe irritated skin. Applying liberal amounts of the oil can help fade stretch marks too. Apply castor oil to the affected areas both morning and night. Castor oil can also heal sunburns. It has an SPF value of around 6 and is often used in sunscreens. It plays a role in wound healing as well. Research shows that formulations containing castor oil promote wound healing. They help shed damaged skin cells, stimulate localized blood flow, and have local antimicrobial and analgesic actions. Castor oil may also help treat boils and burns. but make sure to do a patch test first. 6. Prevents hair fall. You can apply castor oil once a week mixed with meti seed powder and use it as a hair mask along with steam. This prevents hair fall and also makes the roots stronger. 7. Gives healthy, shiny hair. Dermatologist tells us that any oil gives only external nourishment. But castor oil is the best oil to enrich your scalp. It contains ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, and therefore when massaged onto the scalp it helps in increasing the blood circulation, which improves hair growth. Castor oil also moisturizes and conditions your hair naturally.